Welcome to Speak Slow English. Today, we have a very long and helpful session about daily family life. We will speak slowly so you can understand everything.
Yes, we will cover everything from waking up to going to bed. This is the best way to improve your listening and vocabulary. Before we start, if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to our channel right now to learn English every day.
Thank you for subscribing. Now let's begin with the morning.
Good morning. How do you usually start your day?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I use an alarm clock on my phone. What about you?
I set my alarm for 6:30 a.m., but honestly, sometimes I hit the snooze button. Do you know what snooze means?
Yes, it means you want to sleep for 5 or 10 more minutes. It is very common. Is it hard for you to wake up?
Sometimes, especially if I go to bed late. But when I wake up, the first thing I do is stretch my arms and legs.
Stretching is good. It wakes up your body. After I get out of bed, I immediately make my bed.
Making the bed makes the room look tidy. It is a good habit. Do you open the curtains?
Yes, I open the curtains and the window. I like fresh air and sunlight in the morning. It helps me feel energetic.
After waking up, we go to the bathroom. What is your routine there?
First, I wash my face with cold water. Then I brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Do you use an electric toothbrush or a manual one?
I use a manual toothbrush. It is simple. After brushing, I take a shower. Do you prefer hot water or cold water?
I prefer warm water. Not too hot, not too cold. I use soap to wash my body and shampoo for my hair.
I wash my hair every 2 days. After the shower, I dry myself with a towel.
Do you use a hairdryer?
No, my hair is short, so it dries quickly naturally. But my sister uses a hairdryer every morning.
While I'm in the bathroom, I also look in the mirror to comb my hair. Looking neat is important.
Exactly. Hygiene is very important for a healthy family life.
Now we are clean. It is time to get dressed. How do you choose your clothes?
It depends on the day. If I am going to work, I wear formal clothes, like a shirt and trousers.
And if it is a weekend?
On the weekend, I wear casual clothes, maybe a t-shirt and jeans, or sweatpants if I stay home.
Do you iron your clothes?
Yes, I iron my shirt so it does not have wrinkles. A wrinkled shirt looks bad.
I agree. I also put on socks and shoes. Do you wear shoes inside the house?
No, in my family, we take off our shoes at the door. We wear slippers inside. It keeps the floor clean.
Let's move to the kitchen. This is a busy place in the morning.
Yes, everyone is hungry. I usually start the coffee maker first. I need coffee to wake up properly.
I prefer tea. I boil water in the kettle. While the water boils, I prepare breakfast. What do you eat?
On busy days, I just have cereal with milk. It is fast. My kids love cereal too.
I like to make toast. I put bread in the toaster. When it pops up, I put butter and strawberry jam on it.
That sounds delicious. Sometimes on Sunday, we cook eggs, scrambled eggs or fried eggs.
Do you drink orange juice?
Yes, fresh orange juice is full of vitamin C. It is good for health.
After eating, the sink is full of dirty dishes. Who washes them?
We have a rule. If you cook, you do not wash. So my husband washes the dishes if I cook.
That is fair. Or you can use a dishwasher if you have one.
Yes, loading the dishwasher is easier than washing by hand.
Housework is a big part of family life. Let's talk about cleaning.
Okay, a clean house is a happy house. I vacuum the carpet twice a week.
Vacuuming removes dust and dirt. What about the hard floors, like in the kitchen?
For the kitchen, I use a broom and a mop. Mopping with water and cleaner makes the floor shiny.
Dusting is also important. I dust the shelves, the TV, and the picture frames. Dust can make you sneeze.
Let's talk about laundry. This is a never-ending job.
True. We have a washing machine. I separate the clothes. White clothes go together, and colored clothes go together.
That is smart. If you mix them, the colors might bleed. After washing, do you use a dryer?
Yes, but in the summer, I like to hang clothes outside on a clothesline. The sun dries them well.
Folding clothes is the boring part. I fold shirts, pants, and match the socks.
Missing socks is a mystery in every family.
Another chore is taking out the trash. I collect the garbage from the kitchen and bathroom.
And you put it in the big bin outside for the garbage truck.
We are halfway through our conversation about family life.
We hope you are learning many new words. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, click the subscribe button now. Let's continue with our day.
After breakfast and quick chores, it is time to leave the house.
I check my pockets. I need my keys, my wallet, and my phone.
I always forget my keys. I have to check my bag twice. Do you drive to work?
Yes, I drive my car. But the traffic is very bad in the morning. It takes me 30 minutes.
I take the bus. It is cheaper. I listen to podcasts on the bus.
What about the children? How do they go to school?
They take the yellow school bus. I wait with them at the bus stop.
That is nice. You can say goodbye to them. Have a good day at school.
Yes, and I tell them, be nice to your teacher.
Working parents are very busy. They work from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m.
Then they have to commute back home. The evening rush hour is tiring.
On the way home, sometimes we need to buy food.
Yes, grocery shopping. I usually go to the supermarket.
Do you make a shopping list?
Always. If I do not have a list, I buy things I do not need. I write down milk, bread, eggs, vegetables, and meat.
I take a shopping cart at the store. I walk through the aisles.
I look at the prices. I like to buy things on sale. It saves money.
Checking the expiration date is important too, especially for milk and yogurt.
After I get everything, I go to the cashier. I pay with my credit card
Then you have to carry the heavy bags to the car.
and put everything in the refrigerator when you get home.
Now it is evening. The family is back home together.
Everyone is tired but happy to be home. The first question is, what is for dinner?
Cooking dinner takes time. Sometimes we make pasta,
Pasta is easy. Boil water, cook the noodles, add tomato sauce.
or we bake chicken in the oven with potatoes.
While dinner is cooking, the kids set the table. They put down plates, forks, knives, and spoons.
We sit down together. We do not watch TV during dinner. We talk.
I ask my family, how was your day?
And they share stories. Maybe something funny happened at work or school.
It is the best time to connect with family.
After dinner and cleaning up, we have some free time.
I like to sit on the sofa and relax. I might watch a movie or a TV show.
My family likes to play board games, like Monopoly or cards. It is fun.
Sometimes I just want to read a book. It is quiet and peaceful.
What about the internet?
Yes, we use our phones, but we try not to use them too much before bed. It is bad for your eyes.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog. In the evening, I take the dog for a walk around the neighborhood.
Walking is good exercise. I have a cat. The cat sleeps all day.
The day is ending. It is getting late, maybe 10 o'clock p.m.
It is time to get ready for sleep. We lock the front door for safety.
We turn off the lights in the living room and kitchen.
We go to the bathroom again to brush our teeth.
Then we put on pajamas. Pajamas should be comfortable and soft,
If you have small children, you might read them a bedtime story.
and tuck them in. You say, "Good night, sweet dreams."
Then I go to my bed. I set the alarm for tomorrow morning.
I put my phone on silent mode so nobody disturbs me.
And finally, we close our eyes and sleep. We need 8 hours of sleep to be healthy.
Before we finish, let's talk quickly about the weekend.
Weekends are different. We wake up late. We do not rush.
We might do big projects like gardening, cutting the grass, or planting flowers.
Or washing the car.
We also visit relatives, grandparents, cousins, or aunts and uncles.
Family gatherings are special. We eat a lot of food and laugh together.
Sunday evening is for relaxing and preparing for the next week.
We check our schedule and get our clothes ready.
Now, let's talk about something serious. Sometimes family members get sick.
Yes, it happens, especially in winter. Children often catch a cold or the flu at school.
What are the symptoms? Usually a runny nose, a cough, or a sore throat.
If the forehead is hot, they have a fever. We use a thermometer to check the temperature.
If the fever is high, we call the doctor, or we go to the clinic.
The doctor might give medicine. We have a medicine cabinet in the bathroom.
When someone is sick, they must stay in bed. They need to rest and sleep.
I usually make chicken soup for my family when they are sick. Hot soup makes you feel better.
And drink lots of water and tea. It is important to stay hydrated.
We also say, get well soon. Taking care of each other is part of family love.
Let's talk about happier times. How do families celebrate?
Birthdays are very special, especially for children. We usually have a small party.
What do you need for a birthday party?
We need a birthday cake. We put candles on the cake. If the child is 7, we put 7 candles.
We sing the happy birthday song. Then the birthday person makes a wish and blows out the candles.
And then gifts. Everyone loves to open presents. It might be a toy, a book, or clothes.
We also wrap the gifts in colorful paper.
Besides birthdays, there are holidays like Thanksgiving or Christmas.
During holidays, the whole family comes together. We cook a very big dinner.
We decorate the house. It looks festive and beautiful. We take many family photos to remember the day.
But family life is not always perfect. Sometimes people argue.
That is true. Husbands and wives might disagree, or brothers and sisters might fight.
Siblings often fight over toys. One says, "That is mine," and the other says, "No, give it to me."
Parents have to stop the fight. They say, "You must share. Be nice to your brother."
Communication is the key to fixing problems. We need to talk and listen.
If I make a mistake, I must say, "I am sorry."
And the other person should say, "I forgive you."
We should not go to bed angry. We should fix the problem before sleeping.
Supporting each other during hard times is what makes a family strong.
Exactly. Stress from work or money problems can happen, but we face it together.
Finally, let's talk about the future and fun times. Family vacations.
Everyone loves a vacation. We usually go on a trip once a year in the summer.
Where do you like to go? To the beach or the mountains?
My family loves the beach. We like to swim in the ocean and build sandcastles.
Planning a trip takes time. We have to book a hotel and buy tickets.
If we go far, we go to the airport and fly on a plane.
Packing the suitcases is a big job. We need swimsuits, sunscreen, and cameras.
Vacations are important because parents do not work and kids do not have school.
It is time to relax and make happy memories.
Even a small trip, like camping in the forest, is an adventure for the family.
We have now finished our long conversation. We talked about 15 different topics regarding family life.
We started with waking up, went through the whole day, talked about chores, food, sickness, and vacations.
This script contained hundreds of useful English words for A1 and A2 learners.
We hope you listened carefully. If you did not understand everything, please listen again. Repetition is very important.
Thank you for staying with us for this full hour. You are doing a great job learning English.
Before you go, this is your last chance to subscribe to the Speak Slow English channel.
Please click the bell icon so you get a notification for our next video.
Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and your family.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.